gonna lie, you can't guard him, bro. Jordan, you can't guard him, bro. Don't even get mad at it. You can't guard him. Okay, Cat. Oh, baby. Woo, what the fuck? I never seen Cat do that in his fucking life. I might replay that shit. All the way. He's a baby. I never seen Cat do. Ooh, shit. Ooh, shit. That was a foul, though. All the way. Baby. He's a baby. Yeah, this game over with. He's a baby. Yeah, this Brunson. This fourth quarter Brunson. It's over with. Yeah, it's over with. Why they giving it to Malik Beasley, my nigga? Never mind. I'm sorry. I wasn't familiar with your technique. Good move. Good move. That's a good ass move.